Week 8 updates on the Smart Ambulance subsystem. Firstly, I've added a timing feature such that the traffic controller can monitor at what time the ambulance passes through certain monitored locations so that the traffic controller can see where the ambulance is and keep a traffic record of it. This record is being stored in the EEPROM so that it will be a permanent record. Let me demonstrate. For this record to work, there must be an internal timing system within the PIC. So I've used timer 0 to count the time, and as you can see, you can even review the time elapsed from when the traffic controller has switched on. So firstly, let's program location 0 to 7 to be 0011 etc. to 77. Okay, they have been pre-programmed before. So let's review the traffic history. There's no ambulance history. So if the ambulance were to pass through locations 2, 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 1, and this traffic controller will automatically log each occurrence whereby the ambulance has passed through a certain location. So as you can see, we have the ambulance passing through location 2, 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 1 as expected. So this ambulance can, this traffic controller can store it within the EEPROM memory. Let me switch it off again. So as you can see, that's certainly a permanent record. On the Smart Ambulance side, I've removed two features. Firstly, the buzzer as well as the siren, because I feel that they are too simple and they only involve switching on and off upon detecting a certain condition. So in the place of these two features, I freed up a number of ports so as to interface with an array of 77 LCD LED. Okay, this 77 LED displays serves to supplement the route information that is being provided by the LED matrix display and the LCD display. What I feel is that there are certain information which cannot be displayed on the LED matrix display. For example, if all the paths, if there will not be any traffic congestions on all the intersections, and say if the driver wants to reach coordinate 77 from 00, what this Smart Ambulance will be to calculate only one of the shortest possible path that gives rise to the shortest distance from 00 to 77, and that path will most probably run left all the way and then downwards. Of course, the ambulance driver can go downwards any step, rightwards again, downwards, rightwards, downwards, rightwards, and then downwards in a zigzag manner. This will also give you the shortest path. So what I want to say is that, what if the driver were to decide to go in a different direction? For example, instead of going right, if the driver wants to go downwards, the driver will certainly want to know whether at this particular coordinate is the shortest distance from this coordinate to 77, whether is it the same as if he were to follow what the LED matrix display, which is here, whether is it the same as the shortest distance from this point to 77. So this is what the 77 LED display is to inform the driver at any particular point the shortest distance towards the destination if he were to take the route upwards, towards the right, downwards, and towards the left. So for the first two pairs of 7 segments, you will display the shortest distance if the driver were to take a northward route. For the next two, if the driver go eastwards. Next two, if the driver were to go southwards. And the last two, if the driver were to go westwards.